How to make money online for free worldwide in 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you a free method to make money online in 2021, and this method works worldwide and no skill required and is completely easy and free. And also watch it carefully. Lots of people making mistakes with this website, and you need to, if you want to make money on this website, watch it carefully until the end. So look at this here. How do I get paid? You get paid through PayPal. This is a website is called Clear Voice, a freelance website, and lots of people making video around it, but they are giving a wrong information. Uploading article to Clear Voice, you can't make money or passive income from this site, guys. This is a completely wrong method people are recommending. I'm going to walk you through a correct method and appropriate right method that you can use it for free and make money out of it. Before that, subscribe, like and share, and if you watch the video until the end, you can win £10 PayPal money. So Clear Voice is a freelance website like Fiverr, but here it's a little bit different. You can see these are the resources people are writing article or the service the people are doing on Clear Voice, including finance, healthcare, SEO, website pages, website editing, website making into blog post, guys. All you have to do, you have to click this called Joint Talent Network, and it will take you to the page where you're gonna create a free account with them, and you can sign in with if you put your name and the last name, and it will take you to another page. You can sign in with a Facebook or Google account, guys. After you did that, it will take you to your dashboard. It's gonna look like I'm completed my dashboard here. That's why here you can see I 85% that's CV completion. So all you have to do is click edit button here. Here you can upload icon for you. You can upload your own picture if you want. Then you're going to fill the information like your name and then everything, and you're going to give a little bit bio about you, if you have a where you are living at the moment, and also education. If you have an education degrees, it's better to upload them, even though you can upload it something like that, but better to leave that behind if you don't have anything. And here, if you click this one called improve your CV, I'm going to show you how you can improve this your CV. So if the CV above 70 to 100% mean you have a high quality chance or high percentage of chance to make money from this website. So how you can do that? First, you need to fill the necessary information on the CV section or your personal information. After that, you can upload a certain article as a proof that you are a very good writer, because you can make money by writing articles. So you are not going to write any articles. There's a free way that you can get these articles. So for instance, you need to upload 6 articles to get enough points on your CV. So also you can write an article different sections. You can see this is a health and fitness section, but if you want to upload article on business, go down the bottom here and you can see it automatically show click to add a section. So you click that and you can type business and click enter. So new category is open, so you can upload article under business section. So now where you gonna get those free articles? So you're gonna go to website is called plrarticle.com, where you're gonna get all these free articles from different categories are here. So if you click open this category section, you can see there's thousands of articles inside these categories. All you have to do is open the category that you want. This is the one I'm gonna write. I'm gonna use. This is about losing weight with the AP brain. I don't know what's that. So what you have to do, copy that URLs here and go back to Clear Voice, your dashboard, and click this one called add content, and it will give you 2 options. You can copy and paste in the Word document, and you can download it into PDF and can upload it, or you can copy the URLs here. You're going to click add. So after you put the URLs here, and it will automatically pull the article from plrarticle.com or any website. Now you can change the cover image you want. If you want, you can change it. Click the change image and select the one you want, and it will automatically change the image for you. And on here you can change the title by the title automatically inserted here, and you can put the date if you want. You can click the date, it's automatically added here. On category, you need to select what category is your article support. So you can use click weight loss or fitness or web design, business, depends. Primary role is a writer, and content type is article or blog post, and you can put a description. You can basically write in a basic description for this article, or you can put the title as your description, and you're gonna click update. And this is the method people are recommending on other YouTube videos. Uploading articles never going to make money on this website, because there is other step people are forget to talk about, guys. So what is the other step? After you upload this couple of articles, these articles give value for your profile. So after that, what you do, you're gonna go here, and there's a button here, joint talent network. Why you have to join talent network? If you go to this website here, you come down to bottom, and this is how do I get an assignment, because you get paid for each assignment. So once you create a CV, you can apply to join Clear Voice Talent Network. So you complete the profile here, you complete the CV here, then you need to click join Talent Network. On here, you're gonna put your PayPal email address, where your country from, and how much money you're gonna charge per word. That is a price, preferred price per word, and the minimum charge you can go with that. After that, what you're gonna Clear Voice gonna do, it's gonna connect you with the people who are looking for articles. For example, if you upload an article on health and fitness, that's why I recommend target one specific niche and upload 5 to 6 articles per day. And so in 10 days you can upload 50 articles. Why? Because you can see here, this is the person who are interested in writing articles on business, advertisement, business, real estate, finance, and software. If you come down the bottom, see this person is writing articles on different business related topic here. So what happened is, when you upload these articles, your profile, the Clear Voice link your profile with people are looking for articles to write on health and fitness, or ebook to write on health and fitness, or blog post to write on health and fitness. So they can Clear Voice going to send you an email and said, this is assignment is ready for you, this much money, and how much word is that, and you have to write an article for that, and you get paid. This is how you're gonna get paid. But there's an actually different way you can do it. You don't need any skill to write an articles. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. The first thing which you can do is go to any PLR website. I made a video on that 7 website where you can download free articles. You can go to any of those websites and find an articles and a related topic the Clear Voice sending about as assignment. Okay, you can find that similar article. If you don't worry, go to Google and type the article that you want to do. For example, in this video I'm gonna go with how to lose weight fast. This is the first article. I open up here. What you're gonna do, I'm gonna copy that first sentence. I'm gonna show you in a tool that's gonna convert that sentence to your own sentence and avoiding all the copyright claims and related stuff, guys. So what you do, copy that sentence, and you're gonna go to this tool called spinrewriter.com, guys, and you can click this one called rewrite a single article, and you're going to copy and paste it on here, and you're going to click rewrite article. Within a couple of seconds, you're going to rewrite entire article to your own unique ways, and it won't remove any stuff. It will automatically add a similar word and sentence for the original article that you can see. For example, here, this is the original word lose, but you're gonna change that in the shed. The pounds, are gonna add extra word extra pounds. You can see here, if you come down the bottom, 99% this rewritten article is unique and is belong to you. Nobody can claim that. So if you click finalize article, and you can see, and I can show one more thing and generate a unique articles. After that, what you do, click this one, go compare the article, and you can say this is the original article here, lose 5 pounds in 1 week, and this is the rewrite article. You can see shed 5 pounds in 1 week. So these articles entirely rewrite for you, and now you can just copy and paste it and send it to that Clear Voice assignment, and you get paid for that. This is how you can make $100, $200, $300, even $1,000 per month. So uploading a simple free article on the Clear Voice never going to make you money, but that method going to bring you assignment. By doing that assignment, you can make money. So you have to understand the difference between heights. You need to upload free articles into your Clear Voice account to get more assignment. This is the difference that nobody is talking about. Again, SpinWriter is 5 days free, and if you click the link in the description, and you can get 50% off for entire year. It's a little bit expensive, but is this SpinWriter the rewriter tool is much better than any other tools available for free, because when that change the sentence, it completely look like a new one, and like a people are not going to like that. But here it's like a human rewrite the entire sentence for you guys. So if you want to use the tool, link in the description, go and check it out. You can get 5 days free, and after that 50% off for 1 year, guys. Have a good day, guys. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway, £10 giveaway, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.